Hi, ELF volunteers. I'm Dana Dowdy.
I'm Carly Spargo.
And we are your ELF coordinators for this year. And we're doing these videos to kind of show you what you need to know for this first session, which is called Finding Your Way.
Yep, our theme this year is Earth and Sky, and this first unit we're doing is, called Find Your Way. So for the introduction and the conclusion, we have a bin that you'll find in the ELF closet. And in here, so typically for intros, we have the puppet show, which for kindergarten through second grade, the parent volunteers will be doing the puppet show. So when you send your sign-ups, you'll want to assign, or when you send your confirmation email to your volunteers, you want to let them know which puppet show part they're doing so they can practice. You don't actually have to practice. You can just wing it on the day of. But for third and fourth grade, you'll want to email the puppet show presentation to the teacher because they are going to assign kids to do the puppet show for us. Also in this bin will be some books to read, and then also you can go through the there's some opening questions here. You can have like a group discussion with the kids, so super simple. And then for the conclusion, same thing, you can have a discussion with the kids. We aren't doing a snack this year because of COVID, so they won't be having snack, but you can do the discussion. There are some games that you can play, so whoever is doing the conclusion and introduction, you might want to review this ahead of time just so you can kind of get an idea of which games might be appropriate for your grade and all of that. And again, discussion, books, games. If anybody has any questions or you guys are missing materials or low on materials, you can email us at mitchellelf@gmail.com.
Mm-hmm. Also, all of the bins that we'll show you today, they also have a little information to try and keep them organized for each classroom, because they'll go from each classroom. We'll put them back in the closet, and then the next classroom will come and get them. So if you can keep them organized, and then it has Carly's information to text her in case if we're missing anything. And then the only other thing is to remember that you have to leave a little time to sign in to go through the office, and then just for this year, everyone has to make sure they are wearing a mask.